ever expanding and is explained through many people like Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. But the thing is, nobody's really explained it how they want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this research that I did, and I'm going to, just put it in there and put it, how I think the universe started. But first things first, I think the universe started, as anybody else did, with a small ball of mass. And this ball of mass was tiny. Okay? It was very tiny. And it was almost packed. It was definitely packed full of little things like atoms and take the Carmex for example. It's packed full of Carmex. Just like this ball, it's packed of stuff. Then one day, the ball exploded and expanded faster than the speed of light. So pretend like this top of the bottle, spray can, is the ball. The ball shot out, and it shot out things like atoms, and the main, and things started collecting, and they made the main thing that ever started the universe, which was hydrogen. But the thing is, when the ball shot out, it didn't just shoot out, it just didn't explode like you'd see regular explosions. It shot out faster than the speed of light. So, that means the universe was very hot. It was actually so hot that when it cooled about, it took 300,000 years. And, when it got cool, it still was hotter than anything else we see today, like the sun. The sun's hot, but not really as hot as it was when it cooled. But when the universe did cool, the problem was they had all these things like hydrogen and atoms and matter, and they were just willy-nilly going all over the place. But see, when it cooled, it did this thing called symmetrical breaking, where the thing kind of broke in half, and eventually it combined it. And so, take this blue paper is hydrogen and this is matter. Well, hydrogen and matter, they combined. So, as they combined, they started to make things. And I'm not just talking about hydrogen and matter, I'm talking about everything, like nuclei and dark matter, which is the thing that makes our universe expand, but we don't know what dark matter is, or how it came from. Eventually, that hydrogen and that atoms and all the other things that connected together make stars and planets in our galaxy. But this is the easiest way to explain the universe without using any equations or anything. That's basically what happened. The easy version of what happened in my own words. But my conclusion is that the universe and God, two huge creators, if you say. Well, see, God, no one knows where he came from. In the beginning of the universe, no one knows where that ball magically appeared, because, it had to come from something, right? And see, my conclusion is, that's the thing. No one knows. And that's how it is. No one knows anything. And see, the universe and the ball of mass, it was just there. We can't explain it, and we can't really put it into words, like these curtains. Where did they originally come from? I'm talking the cotton, and I'm talking everything. No one knows. No one knows how cotton even got on the earth. And that's how it is. No one really knows, and no one will maybe ever know.